Hey guys, and welcome to Deep Space. This is going to be the last video about string concatenation, and we are going to merge variables in strings. So let's say we have a saying, I have a cat and she is blank years old, while this blank is going to be this 3 in this example. So this is going to be a variable in between two strings, but it can be at the beginning or at the end, and you can insert as many as you want. So let's create a variable cat age equals to 3, and another for my first string or saying, my str equals to I have a cat and she is plus. We can merge this variable here, cat age plus years old. Now if we save it, let's first log to the console just to see my str. Save it, and I have a cat and she is 3 years old. So that was the last video about string concatenation. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.